Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you doing well. So, if you were facing any battery drain issue with your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra after the One UI 7 update, so that is now completely vanished. Yes, you heard it right. It is completely solved now as I'm getting a 1 day plus battery life on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra now. As you guys can see, if I go into the battery option of my phone, it says that a full charge will last about 1 day and 18 hours. And yes, this is my main phone and I use it every day. Now, if you ask that how you can achieve this battery life on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so that is very simple. You have to simply upgrade it to the latest August version. So I recently received this August 1st 2025 update on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and after the update, the battery results are just amazing. If you ask that how you can update it, so for that you have to simply go into the settings, then you have to tap on download and install. In the June and July update, the battery drain issue was fixed to much extent. Now in the August update, it is more fixed. I would also recommend you guys to clear the cache. For that you will have to first of all power off your device like this. First of all, power off your device until your device is completely powered off. Then you have to long press the volume up and the power button at once. A Samsung logo will appear now, but you will have to keep holding both the buttons until the device is in the recovery mode. And once the device is in the recovery mode, you can navigate up or down using your volume buttons, and to select anything you will have to press the power button. From here you will have to search for wipe cache partition and select it using your power button. Then you have to tap on yes, and that's it. Now you will have to just reboot your system now. This will clear all the cache of your device, so if you were facing any lag issue, that will be also fixed now. So try it out. As you guys can see, even on the 50%, I am getting a 20 hours of battery time left. And that's all for today's video. Let me know how long your phone's battery lasts in the comment section below. If you're new on this channel, make sure to like and subscribe.